So I happened to see a comment on one of Chuck from Budget Panther Platform's videos asking about engine braking. So I thought I'd throw in my own 2 cents and also poach some of his viewers. So what actually is engine braking? Now, by no means am I any engineer or a mechanic or anything like that. This is just what I've learned from it. It actually uses your engine and transmission to slow your vehicle down, which sounds kind of counterintuitive. Instead of actually using your brakes, which in icy and slippery conditions can lock up and actually prevent your vehicle from slowing down, it actually slows the rotation of your wheels down mechanically using your transmission and your engine. You can see on screen now I have a video playing of me engine braking. First, you can see me disable overdrive, putting the vehicle into 3rd gear. This raises the RPM and helps me slow down by quite a bit. Then, as I get into the deceleration lane, you can see me put it into 2nd, which increases the RPM once again, and helps me slow down even further. And only is it now that I actually start to push my brakes to actually slow me down to a complete stop. So the way you do this is by actually lowering what gear you're in. If you drive a manual transmission, you do this automatically and you do it regularly. It increases your RPM, which draws a vacuum in your engine and slows your wheels down. But there's no reason why you can't do this in an automatic transmission. The only reason you might not be able to is because you can't manually select your gears. In some vehicles, some like newer vehicles, you actually have paddle shifters or perhaps buttons to actually choose what gear you want. In my car, I have a 4-speed transmission. So when I'm going along the highway and I have overdrive on, I'm in 4th gear. When I disable overdrive, I go into 3rd gear. From there, I can actually choose 1st and 2nd gear using my gear shifter here. So then I can slow down even more using 2nd and then even more using 1st if I have to. Anyways, as you can see, engine braking is tremendously helpful both in the winter and in the summer. It can save gas and it can save your brakes as well. Now, I'm, like I said, by no means am I an engineer or a mechanic, so I can't necessarily explain this very well. But I have left a video by Engineering Explained in the description. He did a fantastic video on it, and if you actually want more of the in-depth details of how engine braking works, his video is the one to check out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, have a good one. So as I'm just adding the finishing touches to this video, I see that Chuck just posted a video as well. So go check his out about engine braking, where he actually replies to the original commenter.